Good afternoon, everyone. Jason here. Today is July 7th, and this is your aftermarket update. So typically what I do in these videos, as you know, if you are a regular follower of the material here, is I will come through here and I will talk to you about the trade of the day. We'll talk about the setup. We'll talk about what happened. And we kind of go through this whole process of setting up the trade of the day. Really, though, I debated on even making a video today, and I landed on the side of making this video because there is an important lesson in all of this here today. So let me tell you about the way that the day went initially. I was in trades. I got hit but no fill. I missed a target by one tick. The trade would go in my favor for a few ticks, sometimes 5, 10, 15 ticks. And I had a certain target, and it would miss that target, come back and take me out at break even. I had an instance where I was taken out to the tick before the market rolled over and had a big move. I added to a position on a trade, and it ended up going a long way in my favor and then came back up and took me out before hitting the target. Not a break even, but for a win. I've had some losing trades in here today. So there were quite a few opportunities that we ended up taking in here today, and I ended up being down ticks as we were heading into what will be the OTG trade of the day. I'm telling you all of that to say this. This was not an easy trading day today. I don't know if you would have had the stomach to stay in the fight as long as I did today. I'm telling you that to say that with proper money management techniques and understanding the risk and your account size and your money and understanding all of those things together gives you the opportunity to stick around and fight a little bit longer. And when you do, you run into an opportunity like I did today. I was able to ride 4 contracts from 51.88, we'll take a look at the chart here just really quickly. From 51.88 on a breakthrough this step, back, let's go back here a little bit. Hang on a second. So this is, it was right back, it was right here. 51.88. Once we cleared our break zone here at 51.75, you'll pick up the video. I'm looking long here. We waited, and I get long in this area at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on minute 6, it comes all the way up into our target. I had a position at 52.24 where I added 2 contracts, so we were able to take 51.88 to 4 contracts from 51.88 to 52.60, and 2 contracts from 52.24 up to 52.60 as well. And so this video, it literally lasts about 6 minutes from the time that we get in until we take out our target up there. But again, I show you this video to say that if you are properly positioning yourself to live to fight on another trade and you get yourself to where you don't run out of bullets, we call it running out of bullets in here, to fire at the market if on certain days, if you can hang around and stay with it, these types of opportunities do exist. And so again, I debated on whether or not to actually post a video on this today, but I think the lesson here is that if you, with proper capital management and preservation of your capital, you can hang around long enough to be able to take advantage of these opportunities as they present themselves. So again, it's a 360 tick trade. It lasts about 6 minutes. You're going to see it. I want you to see it for the sake of seeing it. And so without further ado, here is the OTG trade of the day. All right. And we're going to target to the minor up above us here. Now that you are north of this and closing, it's the next step above you. So if I would have stuck around in the other one, so you came dipped. So you've got range high up here at 28. There's 97, 98. 93, 94, 263 at 00. Settlement up there at 52.53. Let's see where the 70.5 on the day was again. I think I've got it measured out here. That's up here at 57. $265 at 52 short. And the sweet spot of that area there is 60. 72, 60. And you got as high as 95. We may come back to 75. That's possible. Peaked out up there at 96. Revision mid, revision signal at 51. So a close above this revision mid does bode well for a potential move back up. 64 is the stop. I'm adding 2 at 75. So instead, I'll add on the pullback to the 75 number, as that's a place to get long. I'll add 2 there if we come down to it. I'd prefer not to come down to it. I'd rather add up top, but I'll add there. Okay, get through. You'd like to see the halfway point on this bar is 83. You'd like to see it close 86 or higher. There's 90, 91. And again, we should make it to the next step up above us there. Now, you're going to run into resistance at the revision signal at 52. And I believe we have a structure signal up here at the 22. This is that target I was telling you about earlier, was 22. 11:10 is the next time frame for a move with the probability to the long side. And let's see if we can get up to 98 here. .57 is the day's high to low, 70.5. 57 is up there. So that puts us right in line with that 60 number if we make it. And again, I would look for it to make it up there. Since we are now above this break point here, we've cleared out that high, the previous high. There's 93. We've got to get up to 96 to go to auto break even. And we've double topped 93, 94. 57 is the target. I would add at 24. Okay, now you're at auto break even. You had a bunch of orders at 0-0 previously. And there we go. Adding at 24. Okay, back to boy, this is getting aggressive here. We are going to hit one of my targets, by gosh. I promise you that. Adding at 24, we should go up to 60. Now you got previous session low up there. Adding at 24, boom, look at that. Okay, there is 37, 38. And we just hit 58, 59.60, and I cleared out my target. All right, so again, you could see just how fast that move was. It was very explosive as it ran right up there to our target and took our target out up there at the 60 level. Having said that, I want to make sure that I am very clear on this message today. This was not an easy trading day. And if you did not have the stomach for the fight, and I don't know that I would blame you, if you did not have the stomach for the fight, you wouldn't have been in to take this opportunity. It was a battle. We were figuring out how to get around and navigate the levels and what the market was telling us, and it was not an easy trading day. So if you are watching this video and you think, wow, 360 tick trade, that's $3,600 at $10 a tick, that's fantastic. It was not that simple. It was not that simple today, and I want you to understand it. I also want you to understand that these trades exist, and they are out there, and they are in the market almost every day. Not this fast, but these types of trades and opportunities are out there every day, and you need to be able to preserve capital long enough to be able to take advantage of those. So again, I debated on whether or not to send it out. Obviously, I've decided to send this video out because I think there's an important message in here, and so here it is. So again, as always, I want to say thank you for spending time watching the videos here at the Oil Trading Group, and until tomorrow, I want to wish you good luck and good trading.